Hello everybody, this is Johnny5, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a donations page for Streamlabs. All you need to do is go to streamlabs.com, make sure you log in. It does this checking thing, make sure it's legit. And you can log in with Twitch or YouTube. In my case, I'm using YouTube, so I log in with YouTube. And I'll show you your account. So go to Google account, hit allow. Then we go to your donations for your dashboard. Now the dashboard, you can use this for OBS as well. You can use the donations, you can use the alert box, you can use the chat box if you need to, or view your account. So let's go to the donations page, which we're already on. And then it'll give you a link once you already have it. Streamlabs.com/your channel name. And you want that link in the description so people can donate if you want. So far, no one really donated yet. I'm still starting out with it. But I've been doing a lot of looking it up, and this is a pretty decent program to use for donations. And you go to settings on my donations, and I'll show you URLs right here. I'll show you on the settings right here. You can use PayPal, credit cards, all that stuff you need, but I use PayPal. You can use Coinbase if you need to for cryptocurrency. So you can go to PayPal, make sure it's connected. And after you do that, you have donations set up. So when that's done, you just make sure to put your link on the description, and it's to start sharing the link out there to anyone you know, to all your videos in the description as well. It helps to do that. People might click it, might not, depends how big your channel is. So once you do that, that's really all you need to do. Just keep, like I said, keep sharing that link, and maybe someone will donate. And after that, you can mess with other settings like the alert box. You go on here. How much loads shows alert box, which is pretty simple. It's a little widget. I'll show you if you get donations, someone will tell you, or subscriber or anything like that. And I'll show you mine real quick on here. Open it like this, and you can put it in your second monitor, make it small, hit test donation. Maybe it's a little smaller how I show you. Try this again. So you'll make it small so you can see it. And I'll show you how much you donated. But you want to see the whole picture, make it a little bigger, have a little image here. And you got a subscriber, it'll show you this, or a new member, or a super chat. It'll tell you how much they donated, and the message on the bottom. So like I said before, Streamlabs is a good program, especially for alerts and stuff like this. You can use the OBS Studio, that's what I use it for. And that Streamlabs donation page, which I showed you. And you're curious on my donation page, I'll show you real quick what mine is. Now this is what it'll look like to people that are watching your channel that want to donate. Have your name, amount, and a message. And it shows leaderboards, any gifts you have on there, and effects, and hit donate if you want to. So it's a really good thing. Shows link to your channel as well. Change the background. It's a good program for it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, put in the comments, and have a wonderful day. See ya.